Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So, as you can see, we have a little seafood right in front of us. So, I'm out just watering, but you should already know what we're about to get into. We're about to get into a mukbang. I have a few questions right here on my laptop on the side of me. I have maybe 16 questions, so I may just answer the questions and may speak on about a subject. Let's just go with it. So I have some crawfish. I have a few shrimps. I have some potatoes. I have some sausage. I got some corn. And of course, the sauce. And I got me a root beer with a water. So let's get right into it. Before I ask anything, y'all know I gotta take a bite. I'm so hungry. And yes, my hair is all over the place. I had scheduled me a hair appointment, but I didn't go. Only because I was going to do me a silk press, but it was raining like 100%, and a silk press and rain don't mix. I wasn't going to waste no money. But, yep. Whew. And I have a little mark on my shirt. That's only because I'm trying to drain the crawfish and everything, and then it just splattered on me, but that's okay because it's worth it at the end. But the first question is, if you were to live anywhere, where would it be? Hmm. I would like to live. I would like to live out of the U.S. Probably Canada, Dubai, Trinidad. Um, just outside of the U.S. Period. So, next question: what would you change about yourself if you could? I would change my forgiveness, like how fast I forgive some people, and my kindness. Hmm. Because some people take your kindness for granted. They feel like you're weak. But guess what? Nobody weak over here. Okay. So, what is your favorite type of book to read? Me personally, I like the suspense in a book. Like to make you feel like, oh my God, what's gonna happen next? Oh my God, this cannot happen. You know, I like drama, crime, romance. Those are the type of books I like. Excuse me. Hmm. What did you want to be when you were younger? When I was younger, I actually wanted to be a counselor, but not any type of counselor. I wanted to be a marriage counselor because as I was growing up, a lot of people marriages around me would fail. And who want their marriage to fail, you know? Like, why not try to fix it? Of course, under certain circumstances, but yep. You got one for the American Florida. Um, if you could do anything for a day, what would it be? Lord Jesus, I have a lot. I want to travel to one of the places where I say I would live at. I want to travel to Dubai. Dubai. I want to. The water is so pretty. Dubai or Italy. Oh my goodness. But the water is so pretty. Have a different experience. I really want to go skydiving one day. Skydiving or get on a plane. I've never been on a plane. Yeah, never been on a plane. On a boat. Only been driving, which isn't boring. I really like the drive to go to places because you get to see a lot other than just like on a boat you see water. On a plane you just see air. Not air but clouds. But on the road, it's a lot of things that happen on the road. But yeah, take up out of this sausage. Would you rather ride a bike, ride a horse, or drive a car? I'm gonna ride a horse. I'm gonna ride a horse. Mm-hmm. I feel like that would be really fun. I can see me trying to ride a horse and then falling off of it. Oh my god. What is your favorite flower? Um, really, I don't know. I feel like I love roses, but I really love all flowers as long as they're colorful. If it's colorful, a certain color or something, I love it. Yellow flowers, especially, they're so pretty. But yeah, what is my favorite brand of bathing products? Bathing products, I like Olay. Yeah, I like Olay. I like Caress. I like Dove. It's three, so it's not just one. It's three. Caress, Olay, and Dove. Um, how would you describe yourself in 3 words? Kind. Um, real. Um, I'm gonna say I'm stubborn. I can be stubborn at times. I can be stubborn. If you hear my husband talking, he's in the background. But yeah, I can be really stubborn. um, what is your definition of beauty? My definition of beauty is what I look like right now. Natural. Natural self. No no makeup. One, I don't wear makeup personally, but for myself, I'm gonna speak on myself. I'm not speaking on anyone else. But my definition of beauty on myself is natural. Ooh, excuse me. Yep, natural, babes. You'll see me more natural than with anything else. You see, I may get my hair done, but I didn't get my hair done. That's natural. What YouTubers would you like to meet? So, it's a bunch. I want to meet Bianca from the Prince family. I want to meet Zoe. I want to meet Zoe from the goddamn Zoe. I want to meet Carmen from Carmen and Corey. I want to meet Neek. I want Jania is not really a YouTuber, but I would love to meet her too. Um, De'Ara from De'Ara Taylor. Um, did I say Corman from Corman and Corey? I don't know who I said, but um, and I can just keep going. And Tatiana from um Tatiana and Tajay. Glitter, glossy on matte nails. I would say matte. Maybe one fingernail could be glitter or glossy, but probably not all of them. Who inspires you the most? You don't really want to. The person that inspires me the most is my husband. This stuff is so juicy. I found my corn. Hot. That thing bust. Something fell on my mouth. Do you believe in horoscopes? No. What is your zodiac sign? I am a Taurus, a bull. That about wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you have not, go ahead and follow my social medias. It's going to be popping up right here. Other than that, see you till next time. Peace.